Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, given that the line segment with a midpoint at O, if AO equals to 2x minus 3 and BO equals to x minus 1, find x. As O is the midpoint of the line segment AB, so AO equals to BO, that is 2x minus 3 equals to x minus 1. Now subtract x from both the sides, we get 2x minus x minus 3 equals to minus 1, that is x minus 3 equals to minus 1. Now add 3 to both the sides, we get x equals to minus 1 plus 3, that is x will be 2. Hence x equals to 2. So our correct option is option B, which is 2.